Oh, 27?
32, yeah. The first one's 27, but still within the range.
Next one's 2,
33 to 38.
2.
1, 2, and then 1.
What?
Let's see if they're okay. Good job.
Okay, so just a quick overview. How were we able to find the frequency?
Well, first, I put these weren't in order, so I went to bar 1 and I put tables in order.
And this is what the packet and your comp books are used for. If you don't know how to do this, you could just write notes in your comp book, or if you want to write it directly on the packet, what have you. Whatever will help you guys remember each step, because this you'll be seeing within the first few weeks. All right, good job, everybody.
Yes.
Wait, so we didn't need that 6.0 crap?
No,
The
that was if you're going to construct a histogram. I just wanted to point out that you do need to pay attention to what it's giving you. Oh, but yeah. So
That was some bullshit that threw me off.
It-
It's okay, Mary.
So, okay, so let me show you so you won't think it wasted your time. So the way we did it would probably be the fastest way, because all we did was count how many was in there with each class limit, like Ernesto said. But here, this is where we're actually using the lower class limit and everything. So in your packets, you'll see the histogram.
I asked.
Yes, you did, Mary. You're such a smart freaking
Yes,
kid.
I am.
So you're just clicking bar 1 because that's the only column we have, and that's what we're trying to find the frequency for.
Okay.
And so right here you'll see the bins. It's asking start at and width. Start at is equivalent to lower class limit.
Uh-huh.
So what would we put in start at?
15?
The 15.0.
Yes. And then what would we put for the width?
6.
The 6.0.
Mm-hmm. And then, so this is the histogram that gives us, and if you hover over it, it'll tell you the frequency.
Oh.
So like 3, 8,
Yeah,
6,
that's too much.
2 and 1.
It was better the other way.
Yes, Jonathan.
Isn't there another way to do
I don't know, is there?
that? Yeah, so you
2
go
is already
to-
enough.
You go to the
Oh boy.
stats.
If you know it, you keep it to yourself.
Just keep it to myself.
Yes.
No, I want everybody to know this.
Stat, what?
And then you go to tables. And then you go to frequency. Yep, and then you go.
You asked if there was a way that you could do frequency and relative frequency at the same time. You sure can.
No.
You have
No.
to yourself. You still work on.
And you compute it.
So that one.
But that's
This is
Is
just.
that what we
That's not a
did?
histogram.
that's just a table though. So what does that do?
So what did you find this?
So what did that help?
In my homework.
So like, how would you go about like finding the answer for this way?
For this question though, I don't get it.
It's right there where it says frequency.
Uh huh.
Mm-hmm.
It's right there.
I don't
What
get it.
about
That's how many times the number pops up. The frequency is the number of times that value pops up.
Oh, so you would
It
just
only
add
popped
the
up
ones.
once,
So
gotta
you would
add-
still have to
get
count?
it in there.
So
I'm
you
sorry,
would,
no.
I'm pretty
No.
sure because like, so if it's 17 through 23, you would just count the ones. So great, we have 3 ways to.
Wait,
do
so the same way you did the first time, of counting them?
Yeah, something like that. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This is really.
That just totally, see, that threw me off.
So like whichever way you guys prefer, write it down, take a picture.
I get it for the relative frequency, I get that. I would use it for that, but not for the frequency.
Oh yeah, and it gives you the.
But this is a relative frequency for each individual one.
Oh
You
yeah.
would still need to like construct your own tables.
But that's only when they're asking for relative frequency, right?
What?
Oh, that's only when they're asking for that specifically?
Also, it depends on your teacher. So he said that he had it in his notes. So whoever his teacher was,
Mhm.
probably that's probably just how they had to do it. So Yeah, I know, like, I learned, just by counting on the histogram. Maria learned from counting them individually, and Jonathan learned from the frequency table.
Because we did it yesterday, huh? We did it the way that Maria had done it, counting them like that.
And
That's and we got it that way.
individually?
Remember the first one where she did the row or
Like
whatever?
the rows? Yeah.
Yeah, remember we were counting. Yeah, that's how we did it yesterday. That's how I got it.
Alright,
That
so
wa-
any
what's the name
questions
did just threw
on
me
this
off.
frequency table or this frequency problem? Is there anything you guys want us to go over again
This one
or
never happened.
explain, or any questions about a specific part?
Also, for the histogram, you can choose
Oh, see?
frequency or relative frequency.
You see?
You guys are confusing Mary here. Stop
No,
it.
see, I know, I understand what they're telling me. What John said, he totally threw me off.
I can tell you what.
It just totally threw me off
What don't you understand?
because I don't get it.
Calm down.
It's okay, everybody has their different
Yeah, let's go
ways.
with your way, Maria. Let's
Everybody calm down.
show me.
We'll
Maria.
just stick to what we know. If that's what Mary prefers, Jonathan prefers something. We
Yeah.
all have our preferences. That's why there's many different ways to do statistics.
Mhm.
Same thing with arithmetic. Yes, Ben.
So we automatically have like stat lab if we have like some.
Yeah, so like if you're in a stat class,
Yeah, because I didn't have the StatCrunch when I was
Yeah,
when I had
if
Math
you're-
Excel for 105. It
if you're
didn't
in a
give me an
stat-
option.
you'll like I know like there's packages where you could purchase like StatCrunch separately, but like mine, I purchased my stat lab and StatCrunch, and the textbook came with it.
Yeah.
And also, this is for you to have, this login, you can have that, but just don't give it to students.
Yeah, because it doesn't have homework or anything, it's
Yeah.
just the program itself.
Oh, and another thing that Mr. Mondragon said is not to mess with anything else. The only thing he wants us touching is StatCrunch.
Yeah, so just open it from stack.
Mm-hmm. So see, Mary, this wasn't a waste.
Oh, that helped. After you threw me off, then you brought me
Sorry
back.
about that.
But then you brought me back. Ooh, Maria gets 100% in her homework. Now we know who we need to go to.
Don't look at my scores.
I'm looking at your scores.
Wait,
Sometimes I wouldn't even log out of my Math Excel, and you'd be like for like days. And then my professor would tell me, are you just not doing it? I'm like, no, I do it, and then I forget to. And she's like, okay.
That one,
Maybe she does her own.
that one would be okay, so they can see visually. Sometimes you'll get questions like this, or students will get questions like this, where they have the whole frequency, you just have to decide which graph is equivalent to it.
Okay.
I've dealt with a lot of ones with box plots, where you have to figure out which one is the correct box plot, just by looking at this. So,
And then I guess it's B.
It's gonna be C.
No?
and also you could zoom in on them, which
Yes,
is
I can.
cool. So far we have B and C.
I think it's B.
So this is B, right?
Yeah. Wouldn't it be? Because 2020.
So 20, 10, 6, 1, 9, 3, 3.
Yeah?
Alright, so let's look at C.
Okay, you win.
That's 25, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
So it wouldn't be that one.
Yeah. So let's see if B is correct.
A, so we know A.
No, it's not A. A is like flipped around, kind of. Yay! Okay, cool. So it'd be 12. So it's not the 12. It could be between B and D.
What? Any?
B and D and it has to be B.
educated guesses?
B?
Oh,
B?
that's what we're doing.
I mean, you could just sit there and stare at it if you want, but
That's what I was doing.
we were hoping for participation, but whatever, you know.
I'm gonna go with B.
So B.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yay.
You're so smart.
I was hoping you guys get it wrong, but yeah, I just wish for your guys' spell here, that's all.
I mean, I guess all failure.
B and D. B and
Which one is correct?
B and D. I would say B or D.
I'm gonna go with D.
Good
Yay.
job.
Okay.
Woo.
Okay. Why is the top one skinnier than the bottom one?
Because it's incorrect.
Because.
Oh, because they have to touch, huh? Remember yesterday we were telling you? Okay, because they have to touch. Okay. Because she was drawing one up on the board. I'm like, they have to touch. Remember?
Yeah.
Ooh, I was just about to ask you guys this question. So, does the data appear to have a distribution that is approximately normal?
Yeah.
If you go through the packet, you remember the different types. We have normal, uniform, what have you.
Oh,
And then the key characteristics of normal is, you know, and that it roughly mirrors each other. So does the one that we picked appear to be normal?
Yes.
It's pretty darn close.
So yes, it is approximately normal.
Ah,
You guys are pros.
we're a bunch of smart bees.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah.
Did you take it with Mondragon?
Yep.
So that's what we're gonna be doing.
Long day.
I miss I never took it, so I don't.
I'm only taking 2
Can I
classes
see your
next
packet?
semester.
I think it's
Which one? This one?
No, I'm just kidding.
Because statistics will kick my ass. I'm just gonna do statistics and then one of criminal justice.
Are
and
you
that's
taking
it.
it with him?
Yeah.
Yeah, take it with him.
Because I'll feel more comfortable like
Okay.
bombarding him with questions.
So, again, she's the tutor. So what's the first step she should take?
But you're the tutor or should 2 T's?
Wrong. She should read the question first. You failed,
Gotcha.
Chris.
We had an activity, remember? Remember our activity and everyone passed. I don't understand what's going on.
Okay. So after she reads the question, what should she do?
Okay, so she
Check the
comes.
box by the numbers.
Okay.
Go to StatCrunch. Then click.
So what is she trying to find?
The mean.
The mean.
Right?
Median.
Then click Stat.
And then
And then
summary
summary
stats.
Columns.
Column.
Why columns? Why not rows?
Because then you'll just be getting one value instead of all the values. Because all the
So-
values are in a column, not in a row.
Great, that is true, and that will affect the answer that you get. Columns is down, rows is like this.
My computer's not
Okay, then.
working.
So then you click that var1, whatever, variable 1. Now, because there's all that crap already like highlighted to it, would you take all the other ones off or just leave it like that?
You can, so that you don't get confused, like this, we're not looking for this.
Mm-hmm.
Or,
Because you're looking for the mean, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Wait, I get it. And then you would just, yeah,
Compute.
and then compute.
There's only
Oh, wait.
actually one.
Mean.
Round it to one decimal place.
Oh, but because you're gonna end up looking for the rest of them, might as well just click them all in, right?
Yep.
Like the medium mode. I don't know what else is behind there. The range.
Compute.
The mid range, and then that's it.
So does she just put the mean in like that?
No, you gotta see how many decimal places it wants you to round to.
Type in integer, rounded, decimal, rounded to
So to 1 decimal place?
one decimal place.
And who remembers rounding from Ernesto's workshop?
Oh, I'm gonna have to have all those damn packets in front of me.
Good job, Ernesto. So how do you round that number? If you're rounding to one place.
So we will locate that one place to, on the right side of that decimal point. We'll look at the number directly to the right. If that number is 5 or bigger, we add 1 to our number. If that number is less than 5, then we chop off the rest of it and just keep our number in question. So 64.5.
Did everyone understand that? Does anyone not understand rounding? Okay, good.
Okay, I'm not gonna type it in this time though.
Oh my god.
Am I good?
No,
I'm good.
It just looks like a lot because it's a bunch of like
no.
stuff. You just have to look at what it's giving you.
Okay, what is it asking?
It's for
The standard
estimated
deviation.
standard deviation.
Oh, this is the range rule of thumb. We didn't go over that. We didn't go over the range rule of thumb.
I don't remember the range.
Kind of detail what we did.
I barely went over the range. Okay, so in your packet, there should, just look through, and there should be the range rule of thumb in there.
Which packet? The first one?
Yeah, the first one that we've been going over all week.
Oh shit.
David, are you looking through your packet?
Does it really?
Through your
Yeah,
packet.
it does.
Oh, it's really.
What the hell is the range? Do you see the range? Probably very long.
I mean, yeah, range rule of thumb is, we always start with dividing by something.
Is that on page 19 or 18? Or no? See, it's range. Look, is that? Is it?
Oh,
I think it's page 18.
yeah. Range. Where's the range rule of thumb? Where's the range?
Is it 18?
Yeah, it's 18.
I think it's 18. I think.
There.
Oh yeah, no shit. 3.2 and 3. Just look for 3.2 in here. Pendeja. Yeah, we were right. We were right. We were right. Let's just look at damn 3.2 up there.
Do you guys remember what are we looking for here?
Range. Oh, this is real.
So we're trying to find significantly low values. At least right now.
We're finding the usual value. In other words, how do we find the usual value?
Is that the
Okay.
The
Like hogging it,
equals
sorry.
mean? Take away 2 times standard deviation? Yeah?
Oh.
Ooh.
Minimum.
Good job, right? Paying attention.
I have to. Okay.
Does anyone want to try and solve it?
No,
We have scratch paper.
I will watch you guys.
Oh my gosh.
They weren't kidding.
Or you can write it in your comp book, so that way if it's right, you can see an example problem that you have.
I'm gonna go to the car and freak out.
She's so
What?
What's the first thing you want to do?
What is the first thing you want to do?
Is there a good test?
Oh, Arthur,
Exactly.
did you just come back?
He's been here the whole time.
What?
What?
Hiding.
What the hell?
So I got
You camouflaging with the computer?
You got 51.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Do you
we
want
got
to see
the
if it's
mean,
right?
we got the standard deviation. So.
Yay! How the fuck did you do that? Oh, with the calculator.
Nicole, do you wanna come up here and show us how you did it?
Yes.
You can write on the whiteboard.
Yes, Nicole.
Pinche Nicole.
Not really.
Nicole.
Do you want me to do it?
Go. David, go. Yeah, David.
So to find if something's low or high, we have to take our mean. Between, deviation
I don't know these packets.
is 12.
Wait, what did you just draw right there?
For the low and the high values, we take our standard deviation and multiply by 2. So
Oh.
that is 24. And then we subtract that from our mean. So 76.4, 25.4. So this is our low value. If we wanted our high value, we would add it instead of subtracting it. So 76.4.
So that would be the answer to the next one?
The other one you just add.
Yeah.
1.8.
Yeah.
1.8.
So I multiply
To do if it's low or
Right.
high, it's 2 standard deviations away from the mean,
Alright.
so.
So is a pulse rate of 131.8 beats per minute significantly low or significantly high?
Significantly high,
Why is it significantly high?
because it's over 101.8.
Because what?
It's over 101.8.
Good job.
Okay. I'm getting it. No, I should be in class now.
Let's try another one. Who wants to be the brave soul to do this one? Ernesto, thank you for volunteering.
Oh, we're being wrong.
You can go up there if you would like.
Can I kind of try it real fast?
Sure. Everyone try it on your own. Actually,
Can you zoom in? I can't see.
you could try it.
Two more.
One more. Alex, you need glasses.
Or put it closer.
That's so much better.
Here we go. Alright, so you're gonna go up and solve it. Alex, instead of Ernesto. So whenever you're ready, you can go up. Alex.
Does the range rule of thumb appear in the packet one?
Yeah, it's on page 19. I got 20.8.
How'd it go?
The formula is what?
Mean plus or minus 2 times standard deviation.
The 2 is a time standard deviation? Okay. So, in this problem, the mean is 27.32. Okay, so that's what m equals. And then our standard deviation is 1.47. So then according to our formula, it's the mean plus or minus 2 times the standard deviation. So this is times 2. 7, 14, 4, 8, 9, 2. Okay, so then it's our mean, 27.32 plus 2.94 for one of them. This is for our high values. And then we're gonna have 27.32 minus 2.94. Okay, so this is 4, 6, 7. Okay, I'm having a brain fart. What's this?
Three. Should be 24.38.
Yeah, you got it right.
Okay. So, this is our low. And this is our high.
What is our low?
24.38.
Yay.
And then our hot?
30.26.
And it keeps going.
Alright, select the correct choice below and put in the answer to the box of your choice. So the first one says the adult male foot length of 24 is significantly low because it is less than blank. So basically it's asking if 24 is significantly low or significantly high,
Or in between.
or in between.
Significantly low,
Cause it's
because
less.
it's below 24.38.
So then which one would it be?
The A.
Because it is less than 24 what?
24.38.
Good job, you guys are so smart.
Variance, okay.
Do you guys remember what we said on how to find the variance?
The square of the standard deviation.
Simple square.
What?
The square of the standard deviation. It'll be 193.73, it's
Round to 4 decimals.
alright, so 193.7330.
And which symbol would it be?
Okay, square.
Let's see if you guys are right. Good job. Right.
What am I printing out? Can you see what I'm printing out?
This one. Can I see this?
That one is the starts with. Okay, 1.1, got it.
Put it right here.
And 3 of those. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. I didn't think about that.
Why is Marina so quiet?
Huh?
Marina, she's so quiet. Clearly.
I guess that's what happens when you're.
Right.
Alright, so we have 10 minutes, so is there anything that you guys wanna specifically see an example for or try? Cause if not, we're just gonna pick something random, so I figured I'd give you guys those. Cause we went over frequency, radiation, variance,
Usual values.
Average and percentile.
first 3 chapters. Can I see your packet?
Sorry,
Sorry, I let Betty borrow mine, so I'm waiting till Maria prints.
You can
mine.
keep it until. Just gonna go through.
Chapter 3 point. 3 point, hold on, I thought I had it. 3.3. Okay, try 3.5 then.
Thank you.
Yeah, because usually.
Oh, yeah, for sociology, but I don't get why they would use him though.
That one's.
Cause it's more, his is more mental. But, I mean, you do it as in like his,
got a lot of people killed,
yeah.
so that's why.
Okay, it's all for this one.
But I still feel like he's mental.
Or help her
He's
solve
more of a
it.
psychology
First,
type.
start by reading the
But
question.
I'll help you. I have some stuff.
What is it asking for?
It's asking for the percentile of 11.5.
Good job, now what?
Click the box by the numbers.
Wouldn't you rather just write all the numbers down?
Yeah,
No,
just write it
that's
down.
convenient.
Alright, now find, what was it again?
11.5.
Is it, can you see it wrong?
Alright,
So these are simple.
the data is where?
Yeah, I always used to get it wrong.
Scroll down until we find 11.5.
Scroll down until what, David? What did you say?
Until we find 11.5.
I think these packets not right. That's what we're supposed to do.
That's a good dude.
Yes.
What row is 11.5?
What row is it, David? Speak louder.
So we got, 43,
Is that our answer?
should be.
No.
So 43, we gotta do 43 over 100 and then times.
Or
the total
sure
number
43?
of-
Are you sure 43?
No.
The notes here
No,
say that
stats
it's
here.
all of the values before the number you're looking at. So how many numbers are before 11.5?
44. Okay, so is that our answer?
Well, you'd have to divide it by however many numbers there are in total.
So do it.
I don't know how many numbers there are in total, because it gets implied.
It's 50.
50.
So it's 20, it's 22?
Is that what you got?
Oh, no.
There's a formula.
Who wants to come up here and try?
Oh.
You would have to take that number that we divided, so 42 divided by 50 times 100, which is 81.
Wait, what?
Rex, you
Renee,
got the right
can you
answer.
come up here and show everyone how you got that answer?
And then you just want a fancy
I
pen.
always
Use
Well, you
this one,
asked
though.
it, you got an answer. This one's darker. So use it.
So, we're looking for the percentile of, so percentile, we're looking for this number of 11.5. So, first we have to get all of this data into a nice, easy, lookable thing, which we did here. And you have to look at where 11.5 is. Which we scroll down, we see it is 43. So this is the location of it, 43. Yes, 43. It is the 43rd data value. So, in order to find the percentile, you have to do the amount of, so numbers before value divided by total numbers. What are you laughing at?
Sheila's face, sorry.
What'd I do?